thought you had it right. Mom did.
Don't stop, keep going.
Yeah, no, that's a T. I know that one. The 2 lines. This one? Yeah.
Mommy said that time our roads all
Lucky, here we go. Hit me. Ah, shit. Oh.
Oh.
Hi.
Hi, I'm the new... You can call me Kitty if you want to, but you don't have to.
We don't really learn names unless we think you're gonna last.
Shot?
Sorry?
We're just trying to get in the mood.
Oh, no thanks.
Oh, no thanks.
Stop it.
Listen, when she gets here, you need to not be so uptight. She doesn't like that.
Oh, sorry.
Just try to loosen up. Sure. There you go.
Let's get to work, ladies.
Hi, I'm the new... I sent a letter. I don't know if you...
You ever worked before, honey?
I was a school teacher before. It was all a misunderstanding, actually.
You might have heard. We're a kind of specialty house. Men come to us for what they can't find elsewhere.
Oh.
Okay, let's see what you've got. I need a man. All right, fine.
Evening, ladies.
Shut up, Tony. This isn't about you.
I'm sorry.
Okay. Let's see what you got.
Oh, I don't...
He's a man. He walked into a bar. Talk to him.
Hi, handsome.
Hi.
Shut up, Tony. I
Sorry.
told you.
Sorry.
Are you looking for some company?
Stop! Step away from him. Girls, can you please?
Hi, Tony. Hey, you look tired. Why don't you come have a seat?
If you're sure.
I see how hard you work. It's no wonder you're so tired.
Always sweeping.
I sweep a lot.
Hmm.
And I do other stuff too.
Mm-hmm. Interesting.
Yeah, like, what?
I wipe down the tables.
Mm.
I even do the laundry.
Oh my God, I had no idea.
Yeah. It's hard.
Wow. It sounds hard.
Oh, you want... Hi, Tony.
Hi.
I wonder, do you like sweeping?
Well, in a way I do, yeah. And, you know I'm really good at it, you know?
Right.
Yeah. But sometimes I wonder if there's a future in it.
Sure.
But it's steady work.
And what's the hardest part about it?
Everything.
Why?
Well, it's my back hurts, my feet hurt, my head hurts all the time. My neck hurts, which leads to shoulder pain, shoots down my back. I think it's combined with my anxiety, but I can't complain.
And do you have anyone at home taking care of that pain with you?
And no, I live far away from my family. It's better that way.
But I bet it gets lonely.
I'm sorry, there's just like a thing where like I'm,
Yeah.
and you're like.
Well, what about what Tony wants? You ever get a chance to think about that?
Well, I mean, I used to write poems.
Wow! Why'd you stop?
I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Oh, that's enough, Tony. Pay her.
What?
I'm sorry. This is all I have right
but
now.
he doesn't have to. I didn't do anything.
All of it. That's enough. And give her the rest when you have it. All right, be gone. Honey, you're gonna be just fine.
I don't understand.
First, you ask him if he wants to go somewhere a little more private.
And what do I do when I get there?
Just give them what they need.
And no one likes me because of
It's really not that hard.
I just don't know what to do.
And they're so grateful afterwards.
Then I grab my broom, clean the room. Here I am, a new man.
You'll know what to do when you get there.
Gorgeous about you. I'll do my best. Are so special.
And be discreet. They might not want people knowing they go to a place like this.
And just remember the truth. They think they're the miners, but they're not. We're the miners, and they're the gold.
With his horse?
Mm-hmm. With his horse.
You had a session with him and his horse.
Yes, the horse was easier to listen to.
Of course, said the horse.
I wrote it down.
You
That's
did?
all I can do.
Does he know how to read?
I
don't.
Well, that's the last of them.
Is this really all I have to do?
Hey, it can be really hard work. It gets very emotionally exhausting.
You have to work really hard to have good boundaries.
Right, no, I didn't mean, I'm sorry.
Hey, if any of those men ever give you any problems, just tell Pearl.
I'll kill him. All right, ladies, let's do this again tomorrow, huh?
Yes, sir.
I just want to say, I'm really grateful to be here with y'all. I was trained as a school teacher, and I just never thought...
Well, sorry, but are you here as a customer? I mean, you can do that, but you have to pay.
Right, sorry. No, I'm good.
All right. Make me rich.
You got it.
Swallow it.
Swallow it.
Oh, she's gonna I know. Your face.
You'll get used to it, sweetie. Yes, you will. And you'll need it. They're very long-winded. Very long-winded.
Why so long-winded?